Want to make your text or logo shine with a smooth moving light? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create the light sweep effect in CapCut. First, import your logo into the CapCut timeline and adjust the scale to fit your project perfectly. Next, duplicate the logo layer so we can apply the effect on top. Click on Adjust, then go to Curves. Now, follow the screen and adjust the Luma curve just like shown. This will help enhance the light transition on your logo. After that, click on Mask, then click Add Mask. Reduce the mask size, rotate it about 41 degrees, and move the mask slightly outside the logo. Move the playhead to the beginning of the logo layer and take a new keyframe. Then move the playhead forward and slide the mask over the logo, letting it move out on the other side. This creates that smooth sweeping motion. Now, increase the mask feather to make the light sweep softer and more natural. Next, click on Effects and search for Glow. Add the glow effect to your logo and adjust the glow opacity until you get that perfect shiny highlight. Finally, play the video and see the beautiful light sweep effect in action.